Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 countertop dishwashers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered the quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best countertop dishwashers. The 5th product on our list is the BLACK+DECKER BCD6W. Compact enough to fit and functional enough to serve its purpose, the BLACK+DECKER Compact Countertop Dishwasher is a welcome addition to the kitchen. Aesthetically, it is sleek and stylish. It almost looks like an oven with its black and white finish. It has a modern electronic control panel and an LED display that eliminates the need for guesswork. This dishwasher has 6 place settings, accommodating different types of plates with up to 10.5-inch size, cups, cutleries, as well as pots and pans. It has 7 different wash cycle options, including intensive, normal, eco, glass, 90 minutes, rapid, and soak. Note that there is no option for drying on this dishwasher, so you may need to towel dry or air dry your dishes before putting them away. Compared to most countertop dishwashers, this unit consumes less water and has quick and easy water hookup and drain connections. The BLACK+DECKER Compact Countertop is user-friendly and ideal for regular use, especially since it isn't overly loud. It also can delay the start of a cycle by up to 24 hours, and it comes with a child lock to keep it safe from kids. Finally, it is lightweight, has a high efficiency rating, and is ENERGY STAR certified. Its pros are: its stainless steel interior is strong and of high quality. It has an LED screen with touch control, and it consumes very little water. However, the cons are: its faucet adapter is not universally adaptable, and it has no drying option. BLACK+DECKER BCD6W is an ENERGY certified dishwasher that saves you money. It consumes very little energy when washing your dishes. Up next in the 4th place is the EdgeStar DWP62BL. This countertop dishwasher complements the modern kitchen decor with its stylish aesthetic. It has 6 standard place settings with a cutlery basket and cup shelf organization and accommodates plates of about 10 inches. This model has a low profile that fits comfortably under most cabinetry without permanent installation required. It also has a stainless steel interior, which makes it extra durable. Its built-in rinse agent dispenser helps minimize water spotting on dishes, and its internal water heater eliminates germs and bacteria by boosting its water temperature up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, it is easy to operate and control with its electronic controls and beautiful digital display. The EdgeStar Portable Dishwasher also has 7 wash cycles and features a powerful spray arm that ensures a deep and thorough wash of all your dishes. It only uses 200 kilowatt-hours per year, which is approximately 61% less energy than its counterparts. In addition to saving energy, this model wastes very little water. So, this product can help cut down your water and energy consumption. The Quick Connect faucet adapter and 5-foot hose of this unit make for easy hookup to almost any faucet. However, the adapter is only compatible with faucets inclusive of either male or female threaded faucet connections. Furthermore, this model does not support hand dish detergent, detergent pods, or tabs, as it will cause the dishwasher to overflow. Instead, make use of a small amount of liquid or powdered detergent. Its pros are: it is easy to install and use, it uses little power and water, and it is compact and saves space. However, the cons are: it has an average cutlery basket, and its hose is large and inflexible. EdgeStar DWP62BL is a portable dishwasher that can effectively kill bacteria from your plates, cups, glass, utensils, and cooking tools. It has a high water temperature that wipes everything away. It also includes a child lock feature that keeps your toddler safe. Still haven't found the countertop dishwasher that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the hOmeLabs Compact. Don't have a dishwasher in your apartment or kitchen? No problem. This countertop dishwasher will ensure that doing the dishes is no longer a chore for you. The hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher is convenient with its small size that requires less space. With its easy-to-use control panel, you can select from the 6 wash cycle options: heavy, normal, eco, glass, speed, and rinse for your different dishwashing needs. The light indicators will alert you when the dishwasher finishes cleaning. However, if you want to postpone the wash cycle, press the delay button. The unit's interior features stainless steel for maximum durability. Using the Rinse Aid dispenser, you can dry your plates, mugs, and glass quickly without marks or streaks. Since this unit heats water on its own, you won't need to connect it with a hot water inlet. Setting up this countertop dishwasher will only take a few minutes. It has a quick connect assembly with accessories for water lines. Moreover, it is compatible with round-shaped faucet outlets with removable aerators and male or female threads underneath. The package includes a drain hose, inlet hose, faucet adapter, drinkware rack, detergent dispenser, cutlery basket, spray arms, silverware basket, filter, and rinse aid. Its pros are: it has an efficient wash cycle time, it is a quiet machine, and it saves energy. However, the cons are: it does not have a rinse-only option, and it has a constant finish beep. The hOmeLabs Compact Countertop Dishwasher is an excellent choice if you are looking for a user-friendly dishwasher that offers all the features of a regular-sized dishwasher but does not take up too much space. The second product on our list is the Novete Compact. This unit makes dishwashing a breeze. Although it has a small and compact size, its capacity is commendable. It can hold 4 full place settings and fit up to 12-inch dishes loaded at an angle. This countertop dishwasher can meet the daily dishwashing needs of a family of 3 to 4. Featuring a double-layer design, there's enough space to hold 4 serving bowls, cups, small plates, dinner plates each, along with 7 spoons, forks, and knives each. Novete Compact Countertop Dishwasher offers 5 wash cycles: normal, speed, eco, baby care, heavy, and fruit. The baby care and heavy mode with 167 degrees Fahrenheit washing temperature is suitable for baby products and oily tableware, which rinses them thoroughly and gives glassware a sparkling clean finish. Its dry mode releases hot air for about 60 minutes after a wash cycle is complete to keep your dishes dry and odorless, while auto ventilation stores your tableware in sanitary condition for about 72 hours, providing clean dishes whenever you need them. This dishwasher is energy efficient and uses 5 liters of water in each wash cycle, approximately 80% less water than washing by hand. Also, it supports 2 water supply modes that include the faucet mode and water tank mode. To use the faucet mode, connect the water inlet hose to the machine and then the faucet. The water tank mode features a built-in 5-liter water tank that can be instantly used when filled. Its pros are: its built-in LED lamp automatically turns on when the door is closed and the dishwasher is powered. It runs quietly at 50 decibels, and it has a removable fine filter. However, it does not have a male connecting adapter. Novete Compact is a portable dishwasher that fulfills all your dishwashing needs. It also serves as decor for your kitchen. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top countertop dishwasher is the Farberware Portable. Your space's size doesn't matter with this model, as it can fit various dishes with its 12-inch size. It also features 5 washing programs: normal, rapid, fruit wash, baby care, and glass. Equipped with a digital LED display, easy-to-use controls, and an auto water level indicator, this countertop dishwasher is convenient not only for your apartment, but also for RVs, boats, and even camping. During a wash cycle, its upper and lower spray arms give your dishes streak-free deep cleaning. Meanwhile, you can combine its air refresh feature with any wash program to dry the dishes. When the baby care cleaning program is activated, it generates steam to sanitize your baby bottles and give your glassware a sparkling clean finish. This dishwasher has a 5-liter built-in tank, so you don't need a water hookup. However, a water hose is included for a direct water hookup to the kitchen faucet to fill the tank. You may need to purchase an adapter separately. If you are in a hurry to get your dishes cleaned, the rapid cycle gets done in only 40 minutes. This unit's other features include a pull-out dish rack, cutlery rack, magnetic latch, and a see-through window. It also includes a fruit basket, so fruit and vegetables can be cleaned and served directly from the dishwasher. Its pros are: its speed cleaning cycle can clean and dry dishes in 45 minutes. It is easy to install, and it has an extra drying function. However, the cons are: its cord is not long enough, and its pump clogs easily. Farberware Portable is an excellent choice for homes with small kids. This countertop dishwasher offers multiple perks and optimum washing performance. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.